Hi, today I'm going to show you how to calculate median of a column in MySQL. For this, I'm going to use a HackerRank quiz. This quiz asks me to calculate median of column let n, that is here, from the table station. Here is a little problem. We cannot calculate median by using a built-in function from MySQL. MySQL does not offer such a function. We need to write the code for it ourselves. I have written the code here. You can see it has passed the test. Let's understand this code. This code looks a little scary, so let's understand this bit by bit. In the first step, I need to take the column and I need to arrange it in ascending or descending order, and I need to attach an index starting from 0 to the sorted list. Here is the code for it. In this code, I have taken a variable raw index. I have assigned this a value -1. I have assigned this -1 because in the next select statement, it will be incremented to 0. In this select statement, I have taken the column let n from the station table. I have ordered it in ascending order, and then I have also attached an increasing raw index to each element of the sorted list. In the next step, I'm going to use this select statement in an outer SQL query. Essentially, I will be using this table that I have created in this select statement. Let's move on to step 2. In step 2, here is where we are going to put the query from the previous step. Now let's understand the outer SQL query. We know that for calculating median, if we have odd number of values, then one median value will be calculated. And if we have even number of values, two values from the middle of the list will be taken, and an average of these two values will be taken as median. This where clause will be used in both the cases. Let's understand how. Suppose we have 5 values in our column, then the index attached will be like so for the values in the column. It will start from 0 and it will end at 4. So the raw index that will be attached to the last element will be 4, and this value will be present here. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. Applying floor function to it will give you the value 2. Applying ceil function to this will give you 2 again. So index 2 will be returned as a list twice from this where clause. Then where the value from index 2 will be averaged twice, and the same value will be given as median. If there are even number of values in the column, let's say we have 6 values, the raw indexes will start from 0 and it will end at 5. The last raw index attached to this variable would be 5. 5 divided by 2 will give you 2.5. If we apply floor function to it, we will get 2. If we apply ceil function to 2.5, we will get 3. So a list containing 2 and 3 as indexes will be returned from where clause. The average of values associated with these two indexes will be given as median. Here is how the whole query would look like. Notice I have given the name n to the inner SQL query because we need to access the columns created from this select query in the outer select query. So if I need to take let n from this SQL query, I need to use n.letn. If I need to use raw index created from this SQL query, I will refer to it as end.rawIndex. I hope this video has solved your questions. Please like the video.